All right, so I just got this in the mail. It's Bluetooth arm blood pressure monitor. And let's see if we can get it out of this package. I mean, they got it in there. Pretty good. Oh, here we go. I fingered it out. Pain in the butt to get it out. All right, so here we are. Let's see. Check it out. It's got an open thing on it. So I guess I got to go like this. Get this open. All right, now I go like that. All right, I'm in. I'm in like Flynn. We need this QR code so we can get the Bluetooth guide. For information, please contact us. All right. So don't pull this off yet. It comes with the cuff. And let's take a look at it. All right, so this hooks up onto the main machine. All right, so let's take a look and see where that goes. So this will go in here like that, and then you would charge it over here. I think it might be. Let's see if it's got a charge. Okay, it's no charge, so we got to put batteries in it. So let's go ahead and open it up. And I think we've got the batteries right here, right? So let's get, oh, they're Duracells. Those are good. All right, let's get those two out of there. Get these two out. Of course, the last one is being a pain. Okay, we got it. All right, so batteries, just like any other battery, it's always the negative side with the spring, right? So you're just alternating through. Bam, now we're in. Then we take this, and notice there's little thingamabobs there. In the back here, you can see where they go in. Just slide them in like that, and then this connects here, and you just snap it in. Here's some information about it right here. And yeah, so apparently to set up the Bluetooth connection guide, we've got to scan that if we want to hook it up to our phone. This is, I believe, a regular USB, which is weird. Usually you get USB-C on all devices now. But so you can just go ahead and plug it in with this too. He follows me? All right, so now we have it in here. Let's see. Like if I take this off of here, I could, I could put it on another something that I could, so that I could get the QR code off of it. But let's go ahead and do the QR code thing, right? All right, so I got my iPhone here, right? So I'm just going to go to photo, right? I'm going to put it over this thing. Let's see if I can get it to work. It's kind of blurry here. Oh, there we go. That was a pain in the butt. Bluetooth connection. The monitor is power off. Log press Bluetooth. Blah, 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 blah. Open app. Enable Bluetooth function. Add device. Start connection. Pairing. Well, all right. So they got a video on it. It doesn't really give me the app on here. It's kind of stupid. All right. Anyway, let's get this off of here. Let's get that off of there. And what I'll do is so that we don't lose it, I'll just put it right here in this box. That way we can do it. We could do it again, right, if we needed to. All right, so let's turn it on and see if it works. All right, it's working. Oh, look, it's already pressuring, checking the pressure. All right, let's stop. All right, so that's ready to go. All we got to do is follow the directions here. Just kind of shows you how to do it. And we can give it a shot and see how our blood pressure is. All right, I'm going to put it back in the box for now. And we'll show you actual application of this in another video. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.